Hope, hype, and heartbreak. This is commentary from James Brown. The NFL draft is a funny thing. For 3 days, hope takes the main stage. Teams sell dreams, fans buy them. Everybody's undefeated in April. I love it, even though I know better. You see the smiles, the suits, the tearful hugs. You hear the words culture changer, franchise quarterback, once-in-a-generation talent. And every fan base, even the ones who should know better, start whispering, maybe this is our year. But here's the truth. Half these picks won't pan out. Some will get hurt. Others will get humbled. Some will just disappear. But nobody thinks it'll be their guy. But someone's guy always falls flat. That's part of the beauty of it, though. The NFL draft isn't about certainty. It's about faith. Faith that maybe, just maybe, this pick, this player, this year is different. And for a little while, for a few days, that's enough. So let me ask you, which pick are you putting your faith in? And which team do you think just set themselves back 5 years or so without realizing it? And please, please don't let it be the Buffalo Bills. Let me know in the comments and support my work at jamesbrowntv.substack.com. On that note, I'm James Brown, and as always, be well.